Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosa and I am here in my natural, regularness. Got my twist in. Today this video is going to be about skincare slash waxing. So I finally picked up a wax kit off of Amazon and we are going to use it and I'm going to show you guys how I wax my face. I do get tons of facial hair, but you really can't see until you get close up. So I get, little hairs here and there on my chin and my cheeks, and then you see this whole mustache here. So I'm going to show you guys how I take care of that today using this kit that I got off of Amazon. So this kit came with the wax warmer along with some protective garments for like your private areas. It came with the wax sticks for mixing and applying the wax, along with a pre-wax and after wax treatment. There's a whitening cream, but I'm probably not going to use that. And then they provided 4 different scents of wax beads, so this should hold me over for a while until I need to purchase some more. So my experience with waxing. Professionally, the only time that I've gotten waxed is my eyebrows. For me, the pain isn't too bad when it comes to waxing my eyebrows. I never let them wax my lip. I never let them wax anywhere else. Never got a big Brazilian wax, none of that. So we're in for a new experience. So I'm putting some of the beads in there. About to break it before I even use it. That's what they look like. Oh, it's melting. Okay. I'm gonna let that be. While that is going on, I'm going to prep my skin by using the spray. It smells like hand sanitizer. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's some of them. Ooh, this one's gonna hurt. Okay. 3, 2. The worst part about this process for me wasn't the actual ripping. It was not really knowing what or how to do it. The wax can be very stringy, and as you can see, I have leftover wax residue on my face. But I think that will get easier and better as I have more times practicing with it. I do love how fast of a process it was. I don't have to worry about cutting myself, like trying to shave it with a razor or anything, so it's a little bit more safe. The wax wasn't too hot or anything for me or my face. I don't feel like, it doesn't feel irritated, you know, it feels like you just pulled something from your skin, but it doesn't feel okay, so yeah, like I was saying, the worst part for me was trying to figure out if I'm doing it right, putting it on there and then ripping it and nothing coming off. Definitely a couple times showing me that I did not do it properly. So I'm going to do my research and homework between the next time I give this a try. I still see areas where I have a couple hairs. I'm not going to wax it a third time. I'm just going to go in with my with this bad boy right here, get those out the way real quick, and then next time I do this, I will try, I would have looked at many videos, many processes, many procedures and techniques, and hopefully have a better way of doing it so that I hit all of the areas I want and I'm not left patchy. But yeah, I think I would do this again. I think it's gonna mostly stay a face thing though. I would rather shave everywhere else, to be honest. It's not that big of a deal for me. But yeah, my face does feel a lot smoother, I will say that. So I'm excited to see if I notice a difference after putting on makeup. Yeah, but these are my results when we get closer. So I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and let me know if you want me to do a updated wax video once I have it down packed.